If your 2013-2019 Toyota RAV4 displays a key not detected message, the problem often stems from several common causes. The most common cause is a dead or weak key fob battery. Even if the fob seems functional, a depleted battery prevents the key from transmitting its signal properly. Radio frequency interference from nearby electronics, metal objects, or even other vehicles can disrupt the key fob's signal. The key fob may be malfunctioning due to damage, water exposure, or internal electronic faults. When the vehicle cannot detect the key's signal, it displays the message and prevents the engine from starting as a security measure. Other reasons could include problems with the car's immobilizer system, which is designed to prevent unauthorized starting. If your key fob battery is dead, the vehicle won't detect it normally. You can start the RAV4 by holding the key fob directly against the engine's start-stop button. This allows the vehicle to detect the key's transponder chip passively, bypassing the need for battery power. Hold the fob in place while pressing the start button as usual. If the car still doesn't start, try replacing the fob battery promptly. If issues persist, consult a certified Toyota dealer or a qualified automotive locksmith.